Hello, Adita Lang, and I am in front of a seated leg curl machine. Great machine for working the hamstrings, the back of the legs. But there are a few adjustments that you want to make sure that you address in order to make the workout efficient. We don't want to waste our time doing exercises for way too long than we need to when we can be very efficient. That's really the goal here. So let's talk about this machine. We have different adjustments. We have the back adjustment. This is going to move the chair forward and back, and then I will show you where we need to be once I show you all the different adjustments. Then we have our ankle adjustment. This is going to go on our ankles, and so we have the pin here. This one rolls out. Some pins pull out. Some pins are like a screw and they roll out. And then we have the adjustment that will go on top of our thighs, but we need this lifted in order to get into the machine. So as we get into the machine, we have a couple of things here to notice. You will bring your feet up here and you want to make sure that this lands on your ankles. Now there is, in this machine, there is a black dot here. I hope that you can see this black dot. This is the joint of the machine, and this dot should be lined up with your knees. So my knees line up with that dot. That tells me that the backrest is in the perfect position for me. The same as the ankle rest is right on my ankle, so that's at a great position as well. Now here, I will let this go down just enough so that I can't lift my knees up into the air. When you first try the machine, always start with light weight. Once you understand how your body moves in the machine, that's when you increase the weight. So here's a couple of things as we do this machine. Right now, my knees are pointing straight up. I want to keep my knees pointing straight up or straight ahead, but never out to the sides. So I'm going to slowly bend my knees, keeping my knees aiming straight out, and then slowly bring my legs back up. That's the first thing. Now the second part of this is I need you to think about your glutes. So as you're bending your knees, here's what you want to do is try not to push up against the knees here, because then your glutes and hamstrings are not going to be contracting fully. So what I need you to do is to lightly, think about your knees, lightly touch this pad, think about your glutes, squeeze them very tight. Now you'll feel your hamstrings kick in, and then as you extend your legs, still keep just a light connection to the top pad, because you want to slowly allow your hamstrings to release, but that is still working your hamstrings. And then again, control down and control up. Now, I talk about form and technique on every video I do. So here, shoulders are back and down, chest is up. You're bracing in from your rib cage as you're working the exercise. Now, many times when we're dealing with weight and things are getting tough and challenging, we tend to get lazy and push our stomach out. But guess what? The abdominals stretch. So your goal here is to retrain your mind. And as the exercise becomes more difficult, that's when you contract more from both your rib cage and your abdominals at the same time. And that, my friends, is the leg curl.